Hello, this is Victor, StoryMercedes.com. This video is for Matt in California. And here we have a Egas module that I repaired. Matt, so this is your module. It's installed in the test vehicle. This is a 140 chassis, but for test purposes it's fine. This is the driver, daily driver pretty much. And the unit had been in the car for about 30 or 40 mile trip. So first things first. Well, obviously when I fixed it, I had it on a bench test. So we have double test, I would rather say. So first thing is we put on the ignition. We have the sound from throttles. I don't know if you can hear that or not. It's this one. There's another one. Okay, and next I'm gonna start the car and go down the block or something. Alright, so let's start the engine. Oh man, this car needs oil change ASAP. It's a cold start. It hasn't been started today. Well, actually since last night. Cold start, we gotta wait. So RPMs. There is also a vacuum leak on this engine here, so but it's really not relevant to this test. We have ASR situation, that's what we were dealing with. Got the sun going. I don't know. Oh man, this engine does need oil change. Jesus. Alright, well, for a little bit, I mean. So we're in reverse now. This is drive. Just want to show you the operation that basically throttles do work. Again, this is cold start. This is secondary. What's this? Upshift delay solenoid kicked in. So we have to really wait until cold start. It's in first gear right now, so and 171.
No.
All right, no problem. Thank you. Delivery. Just asked for my address. All right, so let me buckle up. We're still in first gear. I'm just waiting for that secondary, upshift delay solenoid to shut off, because that's the warm-up for emissions. It keeps the transmission in first gear for first drive, so catalytic converters heat up. Okay, well, I'm still in first. Alright, so let me try to make this video a little bit away. That's a second gear, so we're through. Yeah, we're driving, this is fine. Just want to show you that it actually works. I want to go back because there's some congestion going on up front. So as you can see, Yeah, don't mind the brake light. That's a sensor on the brake reservoir. I need to fill it up a little bit. That's whatever. But the idea here is to show that we have properly working Egas. So when you put it in your car, it should perform the same way. As you can see, everything is okay. There is no ASR light or anything. So if we let me make this U-turn over here. So there you have it. Basically, you can see this is our idle speed. Here is park. Yeah, this is annoying. This is drive. Just let's go back to the street. So this is the basically that's all I wanted to prove, that Egas works. I'm going to put on my Egas back in this car, and yours is going to be ready to go basically at this point. Just make a U-turn real quick. Go back to park and swap Egas modules. Drive. And this engine is loud because I made my the fan clutch to activate earlier. So I mean, I don't know if you hear it on the video, but it's pretty loud. Okay, so here we are parked. Again, that was your Egas, as you can see. Accelerates just fine. Here is my Egas module laying over here. You can see this is a 140 Egas. That's the one that belongs to test vehicle. And that's the cover I removed to swap Egases. So this is all that had to be proven here. If you want, I can do one more time. On and off the engine. So the engine is off. Start it up. Yeah, it's a little bit of a RPM fluctuation on cold start enrichment. Not a deal breaker. I mean, that's just a few seconds and it's gone. It's I believe it's called startup or warm-up enrichment. It's just like when the engine is not at operational temperature, you get a little richer fuel mixture, and it's just like that. But that's totally fine. I'm just tapping on the gas. Okay, so this is a long video, but I just wanted to show it to you so you know what to expect when you receive it back. And this is it. This is all for me. This is Victor at throttles.com, and thank you for watching.